Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great, and I know you guys might be wondering what I'm doing here. Today's Sunday and I usually post my YouTube videos on Tuesday, but from now I will be posting my YouTube videos on Sunday, so please keep that in mind. So for today's video I'm going to share some product empties, and we have quite a lot of products here, and if you want to know if these products are hit or miss for me, so please continue watching. The first product we have in skincare series is this Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash. I don't think I need to explain anything about this product because we all know it. What is Himalaya Neem Face Wash? It's the classic Himalaya face wash. Everybody loves it. I don't think it does any miracle, to your face, but I love it. And if you are a dry skin person like me, it surely doesn't dry out your skin, and you don't feel very tacky or drying after washing your face with this. And for the price point, it is of 120 rupees and you will get 100 ml of the product, which is quite decent. So the next product we have is the Mom's Co Natural Vita Rich Face Serum. I have been using this product from 4 months now and I have finished the whole bottle, and it has the vitamin C, B3, B5, E and hyaluronic acid. The only thing attracted to me is hyaluronic acid. I love hyaluronic acid in my products because I have dry skin and I need some form of hydration for my skin. Hyaluronic acid is one of those things which keep my face hydrated, and that's why I love my products with hyaluronic acid in them. Also, I'm going to try out some more hyaluronic acid serum in the market so that I can help you guys with it. For the price point, it is for $6.99, which is good for serums. So the next product we have is Mamaearth Upton Face Wash. I don't know what's wrong with this product. The product doesn't want to come out of this tube. What can I expect from this product? Because I got it free, absolutely free, with Mamaearth face moisturizer. I felt really bad. I don't think I'm going back to Mamaearth products again because I didn't like face moisturizer as well. That is very thick, and if we are talking about face wash, I tried to push out some products just to check its consistency, and it has scrub granules in it. I don't know why it has scrub granules in it, because face wash are not supposed to have scrub particles in it, because we do scrub once in a week and we wash our face twice in a day. How can you put scrub particles in a face wash? This is of no use. I never used it and I'm throwing it away. So it's a big no-no for me. I'm never going to buy any Mamaearth product again. The next product we have is this hair care product. This is from Herbal Essence, and it's white strawberry and sweet mint shampoo and conditioner. It smells like heaven. Okay, I love it smells. Okay, some people have issues of hair fall with this. Okay, I'm giving this quick disclaimer right now that some products work for me which may or may not work for you, so always do a patch test and see if you are reacted to something or not, then started applying the whole product on your skin. So yeah, that's a quick disclaimer from my side. Okay, getting back to our shampoo and conditioner. These products are not a problem for me. I'm definitely going to repurchase it again because it smells heavenly. And for the price point,
the conditioner, where is price? Price. So the conditioner I got it finally.
So the conditioner is for 650 and shampoo is for 600, which is all in all 1250 for both. And when you buy both together, you will get few percent of discount, so you can check that out. So the first product we have in makeup category is this Biotique Soothing Face and Eye Makeup Cleanser. Right now I am trying to switch all of my products into 100% natural products, because I think it's a good habit, and who doesn't love healthy skin, a natural glowing skin, which you can only get from natural products. And I am trying to avoid everything which has chemicals in it, and the only chemical I'm using right now is hyaluronic acid. Other than that, I'm not using any kind of chemicals on my face. I am inclined towards natural products more now. It did pretty well job because it has almond oil, and any cleanser which has oil in it can clean your makeup more easily. I stocked up on it already. I'm going to make another separate video for that. I bought it from Pink Friday sale on Nykaa, so the next video is going to be that, so stay tuned. Moving on, we have this Maybelline Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. It's a classic Maybelline Fit Me foundation, we all know. I have gone through the whole bottle, believe me or not. It's empty. I finished the whole bottle. This was my very first foundation, not very first foundation, but I never tried any other brand before it. I'm not going to stock up on this right now because I'm going to try some other brands as well, which is, I'm giving fair chance to every brand right now, and I'm exploring more. So I'm not going to stock up on this. However, I have a small tube of it. It comes in two sizes. This one is bottle and the other one is tube. So I have that already in my vanity. So
when any of the foundation ditch me, I know I have Maybelline cut tube, so that will be my savior.
it has very medium and sheer coverage. You can obviously build it up, so which looks good on everyday basis. So yeah, the next thing we have is Nykaa Matte to Last lipstick. It's my all-time favorite liquid lipstick. I love its formula. It's really thin on my lips, and plus it stays really long time. Believe me or not, this is my third bottle in this particular shade only. It's Khoobsurat, and it's really nice, natural pink shade. I don't know if it can swatch nicely. Oh, it has some, but it's quite dark when you have more product in it.
Because कौन से निकाल लिया मैंने.
You can use this as your blush as well because it has really thin consistency, and it looks so natural on your skin and on your lips, and I love its formula. I'm definitely going to stock up on this product. If you want a liquid lipstick which doesn't dry out your lips and long lasting and gives you beautiful finish, this is the one for you. They have multiple shades, so go for it, and it's a year for me. So the last product we have in makeup category is this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. You can see now why I'm laughing. Can you see its condition? This much I have used it. The print has came off. This is like my absolute favorite mascara. I cannot stop using it. I use mascara on daily basis, if you know me. And if I show you the wand, these kind of wands are meant to lengthen your lashes. And right now I'm using Lash Paradise by L'Oreal, but I'm going to have a backup of this because I loved both of the mascara. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, but before you leave, you know the drill. Hit to the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get notified every single time I drop a new video. And till then, stay safe. I will see you in my next video.